Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video. On the crypto I haven't covered in a very, very long time, which is Golem, all right, or GLM. Personally, to start off with a fun story, I was actually looking at this some time ago because I knew, and that has been the case for a longer period of time, Golem in the past, like in 2024, but also in 2023, had some big rallies and had some major manipulations, all right? So I still remember looking at it and knowing what Golem was like. I mean, here you can see it. It's been manipulated very much. So when we started this bullish momentum, and I still remember it being at like, I'm not sure, at 19 cents or so. I'm not actually sure at what level I was looking at it. It might actually be all the way back in October. But I was looking at those levels. And it got some major bullish breakouts, but I still thought like, no, it's manipulated again, it will drop down. But what we see, and that has to do with the whole AI and distributed GPU rendering narrative as well, what we saw is that it became very, very bullish. Now, in a lot of instances, and I do want to spend some more time on why it's bullish. Like right now, the fundamentals for Golem are definitely bullish. Like I said, if you go to Golem, basically what it is an open source and decentralized platform where everyone can use and share each other's computing power without relying on centralized entities. So why is that bullish, that whole narrative? That's because what needs a lot of computing power? AI, all right? So what could pop off then? Decentralized solutions for that. So that's why a token like Render has gone up a lot. And then if you look at Golem, it's only at a $700 million market cap. And Render itself is at 3 billion. Now, what I do think though is that sometimes these narratives are used as an explanation for moves that are not too normal. And if you look at Golem right now and you look at the volume and you see about 65% of the volume coming from Upbit and BitThump, I still think that a big part of this move is manipulated, all right? Now, that doesn't mean that I don't think it can be, that doesn't mean that I think it's going to crash. Eventually, I think we'll have some big drops, for sure, all right? But that's market-wide the case. Short term, I actually do think we can rally higher, but it's something you should know, all right? Because if it's manipulated, which I am 100% sure it is, more than other cryptos, what that means is that those manipulators, they're making money. So who's losing money then? Retail, all right? You and I. So be careful with this, especially after a big move like this. I mean, what you're seeing right now is that the momentum probably is super, super strong. After the small spike we had earlier this morning, Bitcoin is also very strong again. So I don't see any reason why Golem would be very bearish right now, but it could certainly turn into that. All right, so we had a major rally here, found resistance at 75 cents, big psychological level, so that's probably going to provide some more resistance like we're seeing. So what we're waiting for right now is some sort of confirmation, all right? Some sort of bullish or bearish confirmation. I think ultimately Golem will stay bullish, all right? So even after we have a bit of a drop, I think it will find support, consolidate, and then display some bullish momentum again. So ultimately, I'm not too worried about Golem. If you buy right here, I would be a little bit worried because on the short term, what it looks like, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, what it looks like is that we're kind of stuck in this area. All right, so we have like 65, let's say 65, 67 cents as a support, and then our main resistance level is 75 cents. Now, due to the market circumstances, extremely elevated funding rates, Bitcoin going up and down a little bit on the 15-minute time frame, and the momentum for Golem also seeing a little bit of a decrease, or at least a top here, I would say the best thing to do is to wait for confirmation. All right, just wait for either 75 cents to break, after which we will get up to 90 cents and potentially even $1, or wait for 65 cents to break, after which we will get a bigger pullback into our previous support level, probably at 60 and 58 cents. And then from there, we could rally again, but I'll keep you updated on that. So I would wait for that. I would almost say that pullback right here and that bearish breakout is most likely, but ultimately waiting for the breakout is the smartest thing you can do. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.